Day in the life of a hunter, guys. As y'all can see, it's 5:24 in the morning, raining, nasty outside, but we are hitting the road for a day of hunting. So just kind of wanted to show y'all kind of what it is like down here. We're so spread out with stuff. We're not like some of the big city guys that have, you know, 10 Walmarts and, you know, 5 Targets or whatever, a bunch of Krogers and all that. We've got 1 Kroger, 1 Target, 3 Walmarts. So for me to hit stuff, I've got to be on the road a long time and early in the morning. So anyway, hang tight and come along for a ride. It's gonna be a long one. All right, guys, first stop, 30 miles, took about right at 40 minutes to get here. Just waiting on the old Walmart to open up, 5:58, and they usually don't open the doors till about 6:05. So we're gonna sit in the truck while it's raining, stay dry, and I'll be back with y'all whenever we get inside. Well, guys, that one was a huge bust. They just did their reset in their toy section. And they used to have a whole lane or a whole aisle that was just die-cast. Their die-cast area now, I can stretch my arms. And they have crammed the Hot Wheels, a little bit of Matchbox. Now they do have one of the car dump bins. So their Matchbox, I mean their Hot Wheels cars are just a real small selection there. But Auto World, everything is crammed into a little area, and I'm not lying, I can stretch my arms and almost touch it end to end. So anyway, big bust there, so we're on to the next one. All right, guys, about to pull up to the next one here. So I think we did, what, 37 miles on the first one, 75 between that last Walmart and this one here that we're fixing to pull up to. So we'll see what they got inside. Well, guys, looks like 75 miles, and I don't think we're gonna see a whole lot. Very few. I mean, that's the saddest little Hot Wheels section I think I've seen in a long time, except for that Walmart I went to this morning. Like I say, their whole entire section was maybe from here to about right here or so. I mean, and that was it. They had everything crammed in that one little spot. So don't see any of the Honda sets, nothing new in Matchbox, monster trucks. There is a chase of the cars, and I'm not seeing much of anything, guys. Lots of those, the old premiums. That's about it, guys. So I think that's gonna be it. Bunch of the old Coca-Cola stuff there, and just nothing at all. So on to the next one later. All right, guys, so this one wasn't as bad as the last two. This one only 7.4 miles since the last one. So anyway, we're gonna run in here, check it out, and if we don't find anything, we'll just keep on moving on. See you inside. Well, guys, pretty much same story over here. Not seeing a whole lot. It's just a bunch of older Boulevard stuff. Of course, all the little Sunnies are gone. A bunch of muscle machines. Here's some older Deutschland stuff. M2 stuff. M2 there, M2 there. I mean, I didn't expect to find anything, but those are cool there. Got some Bugatti sets there. Here's some of that new Jurassic premium set. It looked like somebody took everything except the mobile veterinary unit. So I'm not sure what that's about, but all gone. Nothing. Not seeing anything, guys. All here's some Civic sets and stuff, but that's about it, guys. Look, check this out. Nothing. Dump bench just kind of full of older stuff and that. Not a single car in the dump bin there, so guess this is strike 3 for the day. Later. Alright guys, so pulling up to our first Target, out of town of course, and we are 6.4 miles from that last Walmart, so it's adding up. I think we're probably close to 130 miles today so far already, and we found nothing. Just had a comment from a subscriber a minute ago that I wanted to touch base on, and I'm glad I'm doing this video today, because it just comes to show you that, you know, yes, whenever I go somewhere, yes, I do take a lot of stuff. Yes, I do some reselling, because I've got a lot of time today and a lot of fuel that's going to be used up. But anyway, this guy just, I'm not going to give his name or anything, but basically he pretty much said that, why don't I think of others? Well, I think a lot of y'all that have been following me for a while, y'all have heard me mention some people's names before. And there's a guy, Matt. He's given me his wish list of stuff that I find for him all the time and ship to him. I've got my friend Richard in South Africa. They don't have Walmarts and Targets and stuff like that here. So if I get the red editions, I'm getting me a set. Matt's probably going to want a set. Richard's going to want a set. And my friend Todd from down south, he lives about 2 hours south of me. Same thing. We all look out for each other, because as y'all have seen so far in this video, 130 miles and I found nothing. So whenever I do find stuff, yes, I'm going to take a lot of them. The last Walmart y'all just watched though, I didn't touch any of those Civic sets because I'd already gotten enough. So there's 3 or 4 Civic sets at that last Walmart. Yesterday at Target, the last video, I left a bunch of the 2-packs. The Z's, the Night Riders, the Lancias, I left them. I took one set. I took one of each just for me. Todd doesn't really collect. Richard doesn't collect those or anything like that. So I only needed one set for myself. So guys, I mean, it's not really a greed thing. It's helping other people in what they're looking for that they can't find either. So, you know, let's just kind of all understand what's going on here. Ever since the lockdown, the pandemic from COVID, the collecting world has been changed dramatically. Whether it's Hot Wheels, whether it's Pokemon, whether it's whatever. I think everybody can attest that things have really changed, and you've got to get what you can get. And man, it is really coming down now, but I'm still gonna make it off over there into that Target. But guys, I just wanted to touch base on that. I mean, it's not that I'm just taking everything I see. It's not like that. I'm helping other collectors fill their collections or get the things that they want. So anyway, let's go inside Target and see what they got. Alright guys, so finally found the die cast stuff. It's been a while since I've been to this one, so, and this looks like old stuff, guys. What is this? Is this D-case? Yeah, man, this is D-case stuff. Holy cow. Man. I'm talking about I haven't seen this much D-case stuff in a long time. And of course, trying to think about it, but I'm pretty sure it's the van was the super treasure hunt here, and I'm not seeing a van. So anyway, some 5-packs there, some old premium stuff. And guys, in case y'all didn't know, this one right here, those wheels make awesome wheel swaps on Porsches. You don't have to do any altering to the axles. You just cut these out and snap them right into place on the Porsches. Some color shifters, ultras, monster truck stuff. Looks like the 2-pack stuff went pretty good. Well, yeah, because I got two places for it, so looks like it all went pretty dang good. But nothing here, guys. Nothing. All right, well, on to the next one. Later. All right, guys, almost another 6 miles, and gonna hit another Walmart here, see what's up, and then we'll move on to the next one. I think I may try and go to another Target. It's a little ways out of the way, but they usually have more stuff, or they used to, than the other place, that other Target we just left. So anyway, let's see what this Walmart's got. Ooh, got some loud music, so y'all may get tired of hearing me talk. But anyway, it looks like they've got some newer stuff in, so we'll go through some of this. It looks like a good little mix of old and new stuff, but we'll go through it. I think I saw a dump bin, a big one, up around the corner there, but we're just going to have to see what we get in here, because oh, this is like really old stuff there. Even though I think that Lamborghini probably fell down in here. Here's some more Honda sets here. And guys, like I told y'all, I had a tough time just a minute ago with a comment. There's more. I'm leaving them, not touching them. So anyway, nothing new. That's old stuff there with Matchbox. And guys, just in case y'all didn't know, and I'm leaving this one also because I already have one, this is the Chase. There's your regular one. That's your Chase right there. This is the Son of a Digger. That's the Chase of the Son of a Digger. So actually you got 2 Chases here. That's the regular Grave Digger Chase, and that's the Son of a Digger Chase, just in case y'all know. But I've got one of each, so I'm leaving them there. On over here to some M2 stuff, and like everybody's got all old stuff, y'all. This is crazy. All old. First time I've seen the Mr. Pibb. Anyway, yep, looks like it, guys. We're gonna go look and see if that was a dump bin, and then we're gonna check it out. And man, I mean, this is newer stuff, or it looks like some of you here's some newer stuff. But wow, guys, what is going on here with nothing? This is absolutely crazy. I've never seen anything like this, not in a long time, that where there's just nothing anywhere. And of course you can tell somebody has been through this. They left their little calling sign there. Got a bunch of them all laid out there in the same area. You know what, I skipped getting this one the other day. Well, I think I'm gonna wind up picking that one up. I think I can do a little custom with that one. But that's it, guys. I may not even get that one right now. I may hold off. I'm not gonna get just one car. But anyway, yep. Big zero again, guys. Later. Dang, I forgot to give y'all an update on mileage. So from the Walmart in Bro Bridge to here was 17 miles, and it looked like I may have picked a bad time to come to this Target. It looks like they're doing a lot of remodeling, so hopefully we'll have some stuff inside. All right, guys, so lots of buggies full of stuff. These are a bunch of those new NASCARs there. TRD, like some older ones there. Anyway, kind of cool there. Oh, let's see, guys. Nothing really new. That's an awesome, what do they call it, a swept side? Like a new Mercedes. Black. What is this here? There's a Capri. Richard, I think Richard's been wanting some Capris. So I think finally we've got something, y'all. Finally, I think. There's new Jaguar F-types. Here's some, look, it's all the same. Everything, every one of those is the Shelby. Weird. Anyway, here's some of the 2-packs. Johnny Lightning stuff. May not get that. We'll just kind of see how it goes. I'm not just gonna buy one vehicle. Monster truck stuff. Ultra Hots. Waste our time here. Some of the 2-packs. There's some of that Jurassic stuff, but see, again, it's just okay. Here they are. Maybe it's these up here that go with it too. Well, no, that one's not numbered. These are numbered, so maybe that's just a single vehicle. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's keep looking here. I see we got some. See, we got some reds, but somebody's been here. Because look, guys, with got a couple of the Skylines just laid out right there. So anyway, there's another one of the Porsches. Well, we'll look anyway. You never know unless you look. Never know. Looks like that's some of the older stuff up top here. Although here's another one of the Porsches. There. That card's horrible though. Oh, let's see. Mustang GT. What if this thing's supposed to have a light in it somewhere? It sure is dark in here. One of the Copo Camaros. There we go, bricking, boom. Yeah, this is definitely looking like somebody has hit it. But I mean, hey, we're from out of town, so we were hoping, but we weren't actually expecting anything. Let's just see here. So yeah, there's one of the red Pininfarinas, but got a real bad card there. Real bad card. So looked at those there. Yeah, and again, I think somebody definitely been here because they put all these reds right there in the front. Alright, so ain't mad at him. Ain't mad at him at all. So we'll just hang those right back up front here. Get everything hung back up for them, and alright, that's gonna be it, guys. Big bust today. We're not done yet. We still got a little traveling to do, but it looks like it's gonna be a huge bust. So anyway, see you on the next one. Later. Alright, so I missed that last one from that last Walmart to that Target. It was 17 miles. We're another 3 miles to this Walmart, so let's go see what they got. Alright, well, this just isn't funny anymore, guys. I mean, this is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Like they've gotten the Broncos in. Doubt there's any other ones left. Probably just that one because it's got the snowplow on it. Not even gonna waste the time, guys. Old premiums. Old premiums. Just nothing, y'all. Nothing to show you. Same old stuff. Loaded up with Hondas, but it looks like somebody came in and took all of the older ones. So anyway, a little pathetic Hot Wheels section here too. And then they do have a dump bin, but not gonna look for anything special there. I've already got one of the treasure hunt skateboards, so I'm sure they've all been looked through here too. But nope, here's one here just to show y'all in case you look for it. That's it here. So anyway, take a look here in the little dump bin here, and I'm gonna bounce after that. Looks like all old stuff, y'all. Yeah, not even gonna waste my time. All right. See y'all on the next one. Later. Man, when I say it's coming down, it is coming down. Way out in the middle of nowhere. But anyway, heading on to the next Walmart. Just stopped at a Dollar General and a Family Dollar. I didn't even bother bringing my GoPro in because I know nothing was going to be going on there. So anyway, on to the next one. See y'all there. Alright guys, so here we are, which is what's probably going to be the last one of the day. It's been a long day, guys, and frustrating day. But anyway, look through here, see what they got. We're northbound, have bad weather anyway. So anyway, just kind of look around. Looks like they still got a bunch of old stuff also. Yep, just a bunch of old stuff. Nothing on the bottom. Well, there's some empty stuff. Usually expect it to be where the other ones are, but the old stuff there. Tech deck stuff, some of the new skate stuff there. Nothing. Okay. Well, gave it a hell of a shot today. There's some of the Civics there. Somebody picked them up and looked at them, laid them down. They did get M case, so, but doesn't look good at all. Like somebody grabbed most of it. What's left of the Civics there, and that's that might be it, guys. Long, hard day. I think we're just gonna head to the house and call it quits. Pretty frustrating day, to say the least. So anyway, it's let's see. All right, yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock. So been on the road for, well, y'all saw it since about 5:30 this morning. You know, still about an hour and 40 minutes from the house. So see y'all next time. Later. All right, guys. So at a Walmart, last one. Got this other kind of dump bin here, so I figure there's not a whole lot in it, but I figure what the heck, we'll go through it. It's a couple of EK9s right there, Cosworth for Richard. And I can always use another. There's another one over there too. So let's see. I always use a couple more of these Toyotas for some customs. So anyway, I guess we'll just get off into it. Did have a request to kind of slow down whenever we're going through stuff to show y'all stuff. So like we're working with G case here, guys. So that's the main line, but that's what we're looking for in the G case. And I see here's some H case, J case, so yeah, J case, no, H case would be the Jaguar. J case is going to be the Mustang. So anyway, it's like a lot of the stuff that we're dealing with here. So let's see what we got here. That's always a cool one. I got a few of those too. That's that, if any of y'all saw it, that's what I did that Red Bull custom out of. Some Batmans, that's the blue Batmans. It'll be an easy one to go through. There's not a whole lot in here. Oh, look at there, guys. About 200 miles, and I'm still, like I say, about an hour and 40 minutes from the house, and finally got some soup. Well, didn't even waste y'all's time on this one here. This one just doesn't get anything ever. So anyway, but I did want to show y'all something very interesting. I think y'all saw the rain earlier, and still raining again right now. But check this out. So I was heading kind of towards Lake Charles on I-10 and ran into that. And I guess about, I don't know, an hour or so later, I was coming into Oberlin, and another one. So yeah, man, 2 freaking tornadoes in the same day. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But you know, prayers to those guys in Texas. Dallas is getting hit real hard, and it looks like some of that stuff is starting to get us down here south. I'm still about an hour south of where I'm at. I'm in central Louisiana, so I'm down in between Alexandria and Lake Charles right now. So been raining, and like I say, those 2 tornadoes today. So anyway, prayers for those that may have been involved. Anyway, on to the next one. Later.